Hey guys, welcome back to Georgie's Corner. Today I'm going to teach you how to create an Instagram QR code. Here I am on my desktop. I'm going up to the top right, click QR code, bam, it's already done for you. Here you can pick the different colors you like. I've gone with a trusty old black. I'm going to then download QR code and away we go. We're going to upload it onto Design Space. Upload, and then we're going to go upload image, select from downloads. Pretty simple. I am going to remove the back of my image so I can make it any color I like. You do need to remember to get in all the little areas, otherwise when we go to the next step there'll be a solid image. So as you can see, getting all the tiny little bits, including the letters. Preview image. Okay, there's some markers. We're going to erase those. This is all just so we have more flexibility once we get into Design Space. Off they go. Perfect. Apply and continue. We're going to be picking the flat graphic, which is a print and cut image. I mean, I could have left this name exactly how it is. I've just gone and changed it to QR code and upload. Now, make it any size you like. I am just saving the project before we carry on. And we're going to resize. I don't even remember what size I picked. However, our next step is going to be adding text above the QR code. It can say whatever you want. It can say tag me, it can say follow me, it can say hey, let's be friends. Really, it can be whatever your heart desires. I tried to find a font that kind of matches my name, the Georgie's Corner at the bottom. So I think I went with like an Arial rounded font. And here we go. I'm also just going to show you what it looks like if I did it with the text, follow me. Make it all black. Perfect. Just messing around with it really, trying to get it all perfect. Now, what are we doing? We're going to find a shape. Now, we're going to choose a square and then we're going to make it, I guess, into a rectangle to fit. The reason why I don't do an offset is because it would become like, as you know, an offset, it'll bubble around all the different spaces, and trying to bubble around all the dots in the QR code, it actually froze my computer and made me have to restart it. So picking just a solid shape to go underneath and then aligning it how you like it is really the best option. What we're going to do with that though is then we're going to press flatten. Flatten allows us to condense it all into one flat image. So when it's printed, all it's going to print is the outside shape of the square. Here's me mucking around again, just trying to make it all work. See the loading up the top? Yeah, well that was from trying to offset it and I had to reload the whole software. So let's not do that. Let the fun begin. Now I'm just going to do a number of 10 just to see how many I can fit onto one page, and off we go. Continue. Now I have the Epson 4850, so these are the settings I am picking for it. We are going with a glossy paper and we're going to do the best quality. So photo glossy paper, best print. And for my Cricut 2 Air 2, I choose washi with more pressure. Here we go. It has just come straight out the printer. Off we go, trying to put it on the mat. Obviously you want to get it in line as possible, as much as possible, and away we go. Once you've got it made and flattened, the rest of it is honestly so simple. Here we go, cutting it all. literally about 10 seconds for the whole sheet. One last test and away. Oh, look at that. So washi setting with more pressure, and I've just made the perfect QR sticker. Let me know what you think.